Museo El Deposito is a history museum in the city of San Juan in Metro Manila, Philippines, which features the Criado water system, including the El Deposito underwater reservoir. The museum is situated within the grounds of the Pinaglabanan Shrine. It opened on February 20, 2019. History. El Deposito was part of the Criado Waterworks, which was built from 1878 to 1882 under Genaro Palacios, a Spanish engineer and architect who also decided to use the Marikina River as El Deposito's water system. The underground reservoir held military strategic importance. How big is El Deposito? When El Deposito was still functioning, it had a capacity of 56,000 cubic meters. Ventilation shafts kept the water fresh and free from contamination. The reservoir is located under the hill. Its vast central channel connects to 25 smaller chambers, each measuring 5 meters high and 3 meters wide. Tangible cultural heritage. The museum houses artifacts, photographs, prints, and scale models in its research center. The museum also has an entrance to the El Deposito Aqueduct. Intangible cultural heritage. The museum's audiovisual room tells the story of the area before the establishment of the Criado Waterworks in 1882. The museum also has a virtual reality room that recreates the Battle of San Juan del Monte. The Museo ng Katipunan. The Museo ng Katipunan was opened as the Museo ng Revolution, Museum of the Revolution, on August 30, 1996, during the centennial of the Battle of Pinaglabanan. The Museo ng Katipunan features the story of Bonifacio's secret society. The Katipunan visually narrates Philippine Revolution through significant artifacts, archival documents, amulets, cryptic messages, and bladed weapons used by Katipuneros. After the Spanish arrested Rizal in July 1892, Bonifacio decided that the Philippines would only achieve independence through revolution.
The tangible cultural heritage in Museum of the Katipunan is the old gun, revolver, and clothes that Katipunan used. And the intangible cultural heritage is the story of our history of the Katipunan.